Hello? Guys, there are skull in Roshamel. They're attacking my main char. Come fast. There are many. They're noob chars. Rosha bridge. Come Rosha bridge. I'm trapped. They're like 10 people. They're coming. Yeah, I'm tanking them. Come here. Really?
But it ain't about how hard you hit.
Okay, thank
It's about
you.
how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you want to be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that and that ain't you. You're better than that.
All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. Whenever me and Khaled do the remix, everybody hands go up. Hey, showtime. And they stay there, and they stay there, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win.
I'm paralyzing full. Paralyze full. Paralyze full. Full paralyze. SDS did the shit out of him. Fuck. He's low mana. Fucking pussy.
Boom! Headshot!
Nice.